class we did so much interesting topics. This time also we'll study our chapter. Before starting our chapter, we'll begin with a short prayer. Okay, all of you fold your hands. We'll begin our prayer. Yes, children. Okay, fold your hands, close your eyes. Yes. Vakratunda Mahakaya Suryakoti Samaprabha Nirvignam Kurme Deva Sarvakaleshu Sarvada. Yes, we did the prayer of Lord Ganesha. Yes, Lord Ganesha edakku dedicate agaithi studies igna. He is a Vidya Devra. Hauda ellaru antara Ganesha bhara sharp irtane. Yes, so we did the prayer of Lord Ganesha. We'll begin our chapter now. Okay, children. Yes, in the previous class we started with a what chapter? We started with a my body. What is the chapter name? My body. In this chapter we studied about how many parts we have. We have so many parts inside, and they mentioned the different names for the each part section. The upper part is a different name, the lower part is a different name, and the middle part will be the different name. Yes, what is called as first the head part, the main part, the head part, and these all parts. The first one is a head part, after that a trunk, after that a limbs. What is the head part? In a head part we have a brain, we have eyes, nose, ears, heads we have, that is called as a head part. Then move on to the next part, which is the part trunk. All remember now, in the previous class we did. Please children, don't forget that. Please revise it again and again in your house. You have so much time. I am again revising the same thing in our next class. Okay. The next part is the trunk part. In the trunk part we have what? We have a heart, we have a lungs, we have a kidney, we have a stomach, we have a liver. We have so many things inside in our trunk part. And the last one is the limbs. Limbs are the hands, legs. These parts are called as the limbs part. These parts are called as a limbs part. Okay. We have a three sections: the head part, the trunk part, and the last one is a limbs part. In these parts we have so many parts, and they all work according to the instructions what mind gives. Yes. Okay. We have a nose. We have a nose. Yes. This will help us to smell. Eyes we have, which will help us to see the nature. We have a tongue, which will help us to taste the thing. The skin, which help us to feel the things. Yes. Ears, which will help us to hear the sound. Yes. And we studied these all sensing organism. These all are called as a sensing organism. The eyes, ears, tongue, nose, skin. These all are called as a sensing. Sense ಮಾಡ್ತದ ಹೆಂಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಸರೌಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಏನೇನದಾವಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ಸೆನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಕ ಫೀಲ್ ಮಾಡಕ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ these all parts will help us. ಹೌದಾ? ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಏನಿವ sensing organisms. Okay, next one what we studied, what does our body needs? ಏನು ಬೇಕು ನಮ್ಮ ಬಾಡಿಗೆ ಊಟ ಸರಿ ಬೇಕು, ಹೌದಾ? ವಾಟರ್ ಬೇಕು, ಎಕ್ಸಸೈಸ್ ಬೇಕು, ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಬೇಕು. In the last class I told you minimum we have to give a rest to our body 8 to 9 hours. Maximum or minimum we want what? 8 hours. ಅದಪ್ಪ ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ತಗೋತೀನಂತೆ ಹೋಲ್ ಡೇ ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ತಗೋಬಾರ್ದು. that will be what? that will be ಏನದೆ ಅರಿಷ್ಟನ. ಅವೇನಾಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾನೆ ಹೇಳ, ಮನುಷ್ಯ ಓದಕ ಮನಸ್ಸಾಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. he feels always sleepy only. So the minimum hour what we have to sleep 8 hours is a maximum or minimum. It will give rest to our mind, it will give rest to our body. Yes. Okay, we want correct food. Food will help us to give us strength. What also give us to move. It will help us to digest our body, our food. Yes. Okay, and the next one is exercise. Exercise ನಾವು ಎಷ್ಟು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಫಿಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತೈತೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಬಾಡಿ. How much exercise you will do na, that much our body will be fit, that much you will be energetic. Yes, or daily you have to do little bit walking, little bit exercise. And next one posture. Posture ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ, ನಿಮ್ದು ಕುಂದ್ರದ ಆಸನ, ಇದು ಕುಂದ್ರದ ಆಕೃತಿ, ನೀವು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಕುಂದಿರ್ತೀರಿ, ನೀವು ಹೆಂಗೆ ನಡೀತೀರಿ. The posture will be the main important thing. ನೀವೇನ ಬೆಂಡ್ ಹಾಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ the lifelong will be like that only. So you have to maintain your proper posture. Yes. Yes, we studied these all things in the previous class. Now we'll begin with our exercise. In your chapter, they given an exercise. This is a revision of the chapter. Exercise means a revision of your whole chapter. What all things we did in our chapter, that all questions they will ask you. Yes? ನೀವು ಏನು ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಆಗಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಏನು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಈ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಪಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಹುಡ್ಕಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಎಸ್ ಹೌದಾ? ಸೊ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ನಾವೀಗ ಇವೆಲ್ಲಾನು ರಿವೈಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತ ಹೋಗೋಣ. ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಗಿವ್ ದ image, these all answer images I will send you in your WhatsApp account, but once we'll revise it in our class. Okay, once we'll do it by orally and writing and all things, I will send you the image click, and that according to that you have to write in your fair notes neatly, no scribbling. Yes? Okay children, we'll start our exercise now. Okay, exercise, fill in the blanks with the words given in the box. They given some of the words here. Feel, hear, smell, taste, watch. These are the words and they given a fill in the blanks here. According to this question, the answer we have to search it and we have to write the answer. First one, I can dash the perfume. Perfume on ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು? I can smell the perfume. We can what? We can smell the perfume. Smell. S-M-E-L-L. S-M-E-L-L. We can smell the perfume. What we can do? We can smell the perfume. ಹೌದಾ? ಪರ್ಫ್ಯೂಮ್ ಸ್ಮೆಲ್ ಚಂದ ಇರ್ತೈತೆ. ಹೌದಾ? ಸ್ಮೆಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತೀವಿ? ಪರ್ಫ್ಯೂಮ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ ನಾವು? We smell. S. Okay. Second question. I can dash the softness of wool. Wool ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೆ ನಾವು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ ನಾವು? ವೇರ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಮೊದಲು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? ಅದು ಹೆಂಗೈತೆ ಅಂತ ಫೀಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ. wool ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ರಿ? ಸ್ವೆಟರ್ದ. ಹೌದಾ? ಒಂದು ಕ್ಲಾತ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅದು ಫೀಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ cloth. After that we wear. So what is the answer? Second answer, feel. F-E-E-L. F-E-E-L. I can dash the sound of the music. ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು? ಸೌಂಡ್ ಮ್ಯೂಸಿಕ್ ಇನ್ ಸೌಂಡ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು? We hear the sound of the music. We hear the sound of the music. Here, where is the here then? Here, H-E-A-R. Here. H-E-A-R. Hear the music. Next question. I can dash the television. ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ನೀವು? ಟೆಲಿವಿಷನ್ ಮುಂದೆ ಏನು ಕುಂತು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? ಟೇಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ಟೆಲಿವಿಷನ್ ಅನ್ನ? ಇಲ್ಲ. ಫೀಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ಟೆಲಿವಿಷನ್ ಅನ್ನ? ಇಲ್ಲ. ಹಿಯರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? ಹೌದು, ಹಿಯರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಅದೊಂದು ಸೆಕೆಂಡರಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು? ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಹಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಡೂ? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವಿ ವಾಚ್ ದ ಟೆಲಿವಿಷನ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಡೂ? First we watch the television. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಕೈತೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ? Eyes. So watch the given yes. W-A-T-C-H. Watch the television. Fifth one. I can dash the sweetness of honey. Honey ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತೀವಿ ನಾವು? honey ಇದನ್ನ ಫೀಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸ್ಮೆಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? ಇಲ್ಲ. ವಾಚ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? ಇಲ್ಲ. Hear ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? ಇಲ್ಲ. We first what we do when we see the honey, first what we do? First we taste the honey. ಹೆಂಗೈತಿ honey ಅಂತ ಟೇಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡ್ತೇವೆ ನಾವು, because it is a eating material. So what we do? We taste the honey. So taste. T-A-S-T-E. T-A-S-T-E. Spelling they given see. Just we have to write all the answers in the dash. Yes. They given a dash na, that we have to write. Okay children, understood how to write the fill in the blanks? Okay, we'll move on to the next question and answers they given. See, answer the following questions. Name the uppermost part of our body. Which is the uppermost part? Which is the uppermost part? The head. Head is the uppermost part of our body. Head is the uppermost part of the body. Next question. How does the brain help us? How your brain help? How your brain help? ಎದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೈತಿ ನಾವು ಬ್ರೈನ್? ಇಟ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಅಸ್ ಟು ಥಿಂಕ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್. ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೈತಿ ಹೆಡ್ ನಮಗೆ? ಥಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ, ಒಂದು ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಾವು ಓದಿದ್ದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಕೆ, ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತೈತೆ ತಲೆಯೊಳಗೆಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಓದಿದ್ದನ್ನು. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್? ಹೌ ಇಟ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ಸ್? It helps us to think and it helps us to remember. Okay? Brain will help us to think and remember. Where are the heart and the lungs placed? Where our heart and lungs placed? Yes? Where our heart and the lungs placed? our heart and the lungs place inside the chest. Chest region ಒಳಗೆ ಇರ್ತೈತಿ. Chest region ಒಳಗೆ ಏನಿರ್ತೈತಿ ನಮ್ದು heart ಮತ್ತೆ lungs. ಇವೆರಡು ಎಲ್ಲಿರ್ತಾವ? Chest. Okay? Next question. What are the arms and legs together called? Arms ಮತ್ತೆ legs ಏನಂತೀವಿ ನಾವು? Last part it is. Last part, third part, the lowest part. What it called? Arms ಮತ್ತೆ legs ಗೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ನಾವು? Limbs. That is called as a limbs. The third part. First part is a head part. Next part is a trunk part, and the last part is a limbs part. In limbs part, what all things come? In arms and legs. Yes, arms and legs. These two parts are called as a limbs. Yes, understood? The simple one-line answers these all are. Yes, you all know where the parts located, how they work. Yes, you all know. Just we have to write the answers. After writing one question, what you have to do, children? You have to leave one line. Or maximum if you want, leave two lines. Write neatly with a neat handwriting, no scribbling, proper spelling. If a spelling mistake is there, then totally the question will be wrong only. So concentrate on the spellings and neatness. Okay? Okay children, we'll move on to the next question. Write T for the true statement and F for the false statement. What they told? True or false, ಯಾಕೆ ಸರಿ ತಪ್ಪು. ಈಗ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರ, ಸರಿ ಇದ್ರೆ ಸರಿ ಅಂತ ಟಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾ, if it's wrong then write F. Okay, the brain lies inside the head. The brain lies inside the head. Where the brain is located? Inside the head. They given a correct answer, so what we have to write there? We have to write T, true. What we have to write? T, true. It is a true statement. Exercise is not very important for our body. Exercise important alla ನಮ್ಮ ಬಾಡಿಗೆ? Wrong it is. Exercise is the most important thing to our body. So that is a wrong statement. What we have to write? We have to write F for false statement. Okay? Next question. The kidneys and the livers are in the chest area. The kidneys and the livers are in the chest area. ಹೌದಾ? ಕಿಡ್ನಿ ಮತ್ತು ಲಿವರ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಚೆಸ್ಟ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಒಳಗೆ ಇರ್ತಾವ? No, it is wrong. In our chest we have a heart and lungs. Chest area ಒಳಗೆ ಯಾವ ಇರ್ತಾವ? Heart ಮತ್ತು lungs ಇರ್ತಾವ. Kidney ಮತ್ತು liver ಇರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. Okay, that is a wrong statement. So what we have to write there? F. Again, F. The five senses help us know the world surrounding us. Five senses. I told you five senses. Which all are the five senses? Eyes, nose, tongue, ear, ಮತ್ತು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು skin. These are the five organisms that will help us to see the feel the surrounding. How the our correct statement are. So it is a true statement. So what we have to write? T. Okay, first one will be true, second one will be false, and again it will be true. Okay, we did what? We just revised the chapter solving all the exercise. Yes, we did our exercise and just we revised the chapter also. Okay children, I will send you these all answers. I will send you image click. I will send you. Okay, don't worry about that all things. I will send you the image. You can write seeing that all. Okay, don't write by yourself. I will send you the image. Okay, and these are next things they given a life skill and the value for the life. So please children, read it and do it by yourself. Okay, that is a general questions. Please read it and do it by yourself. Okay children, we did all things. We'll start on our next chapter in our next class. Okay, we'll meet you in our next class children. Okay, bye.